Good morning everyone, it's Miss Morris and I just wanted to give you a quick welcome video for today. So, in our course, you're going to go to Wednesday. Welcome to Objectives is where you found this video. So, hello everyone, please watch the welcome video below before completing your work, which is this one. Your objectives. 1. I will be able to independently write and submit 4 inferences and complete sentences using the sentence frames, which you started yesterday. Secondly, I will be able to use the letter template to give Vinny advice on whether jumping into the ravine is a good or bad idea. So your to-do list is A. Finish your discussion post and reply if you haven't already. B. Submit reading and inferencing, now it's your turn assignment. And C. Complete letter to Vinny assignment. Click Next. So here's the discussion post. So I've already started to grade some of your discussions, and you'll see that I put a comment that says a suggestion in case you didn't get the full points. I also added this little rubric here so that you actually have an idea of what you need. So you're putting your opinion of why you think. First you're going to say whether you think Vinny is going to jump and why. So it should say, I think Vinny is going to jump because, as you can see, that full credit, you have 1 or more complete sentences that states whether you think he's going to jump and explains your reason why. And then when you reply to someone, make sure that you agree or disagree with them and then say why you agree or disagree with them. It could be as simple as because I thought the same thing. That's acceptable, that's fine. I just want to see a full sentence with an I agree and then a because. So you'll see you reply to a classmate, states whether you agree or disagree with them, and explains why in 1 or more complete sentences. That's what you're going to want. Then, next, here's the reading and inferencing. So, you are going to watch along with the video. If you don't want to hear me reading it, you can click down here and read it in the actual presentation itself. And then you will be either making a comment or a submission answering these 4 questions. And please make sure you left, drag, copy, and paste these sentence frames in so that you know that you're using all complete sentences for that full 20 points. You gave complete answers for all questions. That's what you want. As it says, using complete sentence frames to get 20 out of 20 points. And you see, Andrew used sentence frames, a bunch of people over here used sentence frames, and they got the full amount of points that they needed. Then you click Next and you get to your letter to Vinny. So, directions. As we've been reading, Vinny had been having a hard time deciding whether the 50-foot cliff jump into the ravine is a good or bad idea. Based on what you've read, use the letter template below to give Vinny advice on what he should do. When you open the assignment, this is what you're going to see, that same exact set of directions. Here's the template. So, Dear Vinny, I think that jumping into the ravine is a good or bad idea. One reason I think it is a good or bad idea is, another reason I think it is a good or bad idea is, in conclusion, you should or should not jump. So for these ones, you're just going to click 1. So if you think it's a good idea, you're just going to erase the little parentheses and the bad. So then it just says good, like that. Perfect. You're going to do that for all of those. And then right here, you're going to put a detail from the text. So for example, one reason I think it's a good idea is, or if it's a bad idea, because I can think of a lot of those off the top of my head. One reason I think it's a bad idea is you seem a little bit nervous as you're going up to jump. He's starting to question himself. So that could be one reason right there. Another reason could be that, his mom gave him advice, said no, you shouldn't. So you're going to put 2 reasons for why you think it's a good or a bad idea. You just click in right here and you can type whatever reason you have. Then at the bottom, you're going to say sincerely, and you just type your name. That's what you do for a letter. You sign off. Once you do that, you exit out over here where it says edit and submit. You click submit to submit it. And then you'll see that you are all done. You've met all your objectives, and you are good to go. So I hope you guys do well with this. I'm sure you will. I have nothing but confidence. If you need help, go to groups, go to Cluster 5 office hours. Click conferences, and you know that I'll be here from 10:45 to 11:45, and then again from 1:15 to 2:15. So if you need help, don't hesitate to ask or come to the office hours. Thanks, guys.